What's up guys, check out this electric cleaning brush. So it comes with multiple different head attachments. So it comes with a nice little small one. This one that's good at getting like corners and crevices. This one that's nice and flat. A little bigger one for washing like dishes and stuff. This is more like a sponge. And then it also comes with a bigger brush like this. They easily snap on like so. And then you just click the power button and it gets nice and spinning for you. So you could go ahead and wash dishes or whatever you really need to scrub and clean with this thing. So if we take it off, you can see how it moves. It just vibrates this thing right here, which is nice. It's really easy to use. Just click the power button and then it has a nice handle that you can hold on to. It does come with a charger. Charges at the bottom of the thing right here. Just simple USB charger. So go ahead, check it out.